Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about some of the core values of Agile methodology. So Agile is having 4 different values that guides the overall Agile software development methodology. There are 4 different values are there. The first Agile value is individual and interaction over processes and tools. Here we are more focusing on the collaboration and communication. That is the key here in Agile, where we'll have interactions with the team members, we'll have a good communication rather than following 200 processes. And the second value would be working software or comprehensive documentation. Here our main focus is on working software, not on generating documentation for a given project. That is the main emphasis. The third Agile core value is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Here our main goal is to interact with the customer, collaboration, working closely with them, understand the requirement rather than defining the contracts or negotiation to define the project scope. That is not part of Agile. And the fourth core value of Agile is responding to the change over following a plan. Here, if there is any feedback is coming from the customer or any feedback from the development team or anybody in that matter, here, if there is a change is required, we should go for it rather than following a stringent guidelines or following with a plan that is not followed in Agile. Here we should be open for changing the requirements and adjusting the overall project goals appropriate to the change and iteratively quickly deliver the best possible product to the customer. That is the key thing in Agile. These are the 4 values. If we adopt, definitely we can meet the success by following this Agile methodology.